Yay! This is our first meeting of the EPL and our first project.
Yeah, our first project is working with paper airplanes, the paper as a whole, just to try and create the best airfoil design for distance. As you can see, we have an array of different approaches here. They'll actually have a pretty interesting contribution using the principles of centrifugal force to keep it stable in flight, theoretically. Anything else you'd like to say, Taki?
I tried to take a different approach by maximizing the surface area to maximize the efficiency and lift of the plane. But the sturdiness is subpar, to say the least.
Conforming with the laws of aerodynamics, I also did a circular build over here. The stone will rotate and it will act against air resistance, let the air pass through, allowing it to travel through air. This is, for example, you see airline.
I think it's just the throw. Yep.
Okay, this is my aircraft. It has a needle-like design, a tip, but a wide hull.
So it's 360.
A wide tail. It allows to have more air resistance, and more aerodynamics, right? Yeah, and the needle part. And then this has more lift. So when it flies far. Right? Yeah, good. Okay, so now we're looking at everyone's hypothesis on how they're going to create the best airplane possible. Now it's time to put that to the test.
Alright guys, here we are. We're on test our first project, the paper airplanes. So this one first made by Taki, one of our members. We try it through it. We're gonna see if this can warm up. Here's just the back of this plane. The second one we have one of our other received. So we're gonna test one out now and see how well it goes. That's probably my fault. I have another one that he made. Try it again. Okay, that seems about how far we can go. Or if you want a little more made, let's see if this surface area also works. Yep, that works pretty well. So now we're gonna try just plain made by the and see if it works. And then we have the most two, which are pretty unorthodox, which we're gonna try after. So here's the Neves plane. So that doesn't work. And these two are rings which use a different concept to create lift, right? The lift there is created by the air passing under the wing, pushing the airplane up. But these ones will work mainly by being propelled from when we throw it. Right? Okay, let's try this out. And the rotational force will keep it stable in flight.